know, y'all, connecting the dots has never been more fun and more easy than this. Anytime I can get my 3 favorite colors on a rock together, I'm stoked. And this turned out fabulous. I absolutely adore it. Now, if you're wondering what it would look like on black, like my mom was, here you go. I'll let you guys make up your mind on what you like best. Now, this rock is versatile enough, I think you could put any 3 colors on there and it would be fantastic. I'll link the supplies below. I want you to give it a try and show me what you come up with. I can't wait to see. Now, if you're looking for some more fun summer colors, like my favorites, watch these videos right here. They've got exactly what you need. And until next time, rock on!